got a couple more stains right here on the mattress. Let's go ahead, let's remove them. Let's go ahead, let's blot. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Folex Instant Carpet Spot Remover. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail packaging right here. It's just a nice white spray bottle with their logo and branding. And we have what it's able to remove: pet accidents, grease, ink, red wine, coffee, blood, rust, food, cosmetics, dirt, grime, most old stains, excellent for upholstery, 32 ounces. And we have some general directions and instructions on the back for us as well. We'll see instant results, no rinsing, vacuuming, or waiting. Spots vanish before your eyes. It's safe for any color-fast carpets and upholstery that can be dampened with water, non-magnetic, non-toxic, non-flammable, odor-free, VOC, CF, and petroleum-free. So, test on a hidden part of the material to be clean for color removal or color change. Use only on color-stable material. Simply apply a generous amount on the spot, gently agitate with fingertips, and blot with an absorbent cloth. Spot will disappear instantly. So, it appears like it's really simple, and we're going to see results fast. Now let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so you can see we got a stain here on the mattress. We're going to go ahead, we're going to apply some spray right here, and now we're going to just blot it up. So check that out. That's amazing. That worked way better than I was anticipating. It really is pretty instantaneous. It's no longer there. Let's go ahead. Let's try some of these other stains. So you can see we got a couple more stains right here on the mattress. Let's go ahead. Let's remove them. So we're going to spray it on. Let's go ahead. Let's blot. Wow, it's doing a really nice job. I'm impressed. We got a couple more spots here. Let's wipe it all and we'll reassess. Okay, that looks really good. We have a couple more areas. We're going to spray right here. I see. We'll soak it and blot. There we go. Check that out. Stain no more. Now you can see we have another stain right here on this mattress we're going to try to clean. I'm not holding my breath for this stain. So there was a stain here. I used a black washcloth to clean it, and this is what was left over. So we'll see if we can get lucky here. That would be amazing. We're going to apply the cleaner. We're going to soak the area and a little bit around the stain to see what we're capable of doing with the cleaner. So there we go. We have it applied. Let's take our cloth again and start blotting. Can we get lucky? That would be so cool. I feel like there's not much we can do since it was a black color transfer. This cloth's getting really wet already too. Keep blotting, keep blotting. Any better? Maybe a little bit actually, but I feel like I can still see right here where that stain is. So we're going to blot it with the dry portion, and then we'll reapply. So here's how it looks after a second time of spraying and blotting with the cloth. I still feel like I see some of the stain right here, but it's definitely improved. Had I had this product when I initially got the stain, and if I didn't use that black washcloth to blot it up, I guarantee there would be nothing here. So I'm not faulting the stain remover for not getting this up. We're actually gonna go ahead, we're gonna reapply it one more time and see if we can get any better results after this dries. So I just sprayed it a third time and I've really started to agitate it with my fingertips to see if that helps. And you can see as we're shaking it, it was actually kind of foaming a little bit too, which I like to think is a good thing. And I feel like it's already starting to look a little bit better right around here from that agitation and really soaking the spot. So third time's definitely a charm. We've let it dry out and you can see it's looking way better from where we started. I think I can still see a little bit of the stain right here. And I just noticed as it's dried, we got this really wet. So now I see a line up here and down here of probably some of that dirt residue that we were able to get off that now we'll have to do a little bit of touch up. But I'm really impressed, especially since this was black color transfer onto this white mattress pad. Well, count me impressed. This actually works, so I see why it's so popular and highly recommended. One of the best tricks, if you're using this and for some reason the stain isn't coming out, maybe not as quickly as you anticipated, because it really is pretty instant, make sure you're agitating it, get it thoroughly soaked and agitate it with your finger. That should definitely help. Overall, seriously, super impressed with this product. I think the only thing I would change is the bottle itself. This bottle sucks in on itself when you're spraying. That's kind of the best way I can describe it. My bottle's a little bit deformed here. You can loosen the cap and that will help, but I found that a little bit goofy. So maybe a higher quality spray bottle. But for the product itself, what really counts, the stain removal, this definitely works. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.